This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're doing an easy, simple, and delicious stir fry. It's chicken and zucchini stir fry with red peppers. It's so easy to make and so easy to enjoy. So let's get started. It's a stir fry, so I'm going to teach you some wok cooking basics so you can have a lifetime of enjoyment when you cook and eat. Well, I leave some of the green when I'm cutting the zucchini, so that way you have a pattern. So it's really nice for display when you have the dish already. So now we're just going to cut it. Cut it like this if you like. Or you can cut it diagonal too, if you like. So it looks kind of nice, just like that. So I have a whole chicken breast here. So I think that's enough for two stir fries. So I'm just going to cut it up and then marinate it, put it in the fridge. So I'm going to cut it, say, lengthwise here. And just cut it on an angle, like. I remember people used to, the cooks, they used to make it look like it's more by cutting on an angle like this. So some people do, some people don't. So I got one chicken breast here. I'm going to put it into a bowl. I'm going to put some what's called light soy sauce or regular soy sauce. So this is low sodium. So put about maybe 3 tablespoons in there. So I like to put my favorite sauce, the Chinese oyster sauce, into the marinade. So just put maybe 1 tablespoon or so. I'm using avocado oil, so put some oil into the marinade, so maybe about 3 tablespoons, maybe a little more. I'm going to put some white pepper, just a few shakes of white pepper. Whatever you're missing, don't worry about it. I'm going to put some cornstarch in there. I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons in there, or teaspoons, 2 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon should be enough. Now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients with the chicken. So once you finish marinating it, just put it in the fridge, at least for a couple hours, better overnight. If you want the chicken to be a little darker, put some dark soy sauce. So this is the Lee Kum Kee brand. So just put maybe a tablespoon or so in there. So that's only if you want the chicken to appear darker. It doesn't really matter. So when you grill it up, it just makes it darker. So some people like it that way. Preheat the wok at medium to medium-high heat. So I'm going to put some oil. So I like avocado oil. It has high heat point. Next, we're just going to add the onions, the half an onion here, cut up. We'll turn on the heat up to high now. Preheat the wok at medium heat for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to turn on the heat to high. Add a little more oil if you like. So just like the chicken sear for a few seconds, you want to get the carbon sear flavor in the chicken. Also the onions and the ginger and the garlic. That's a nice sear right there. Only cook the chicken about halfway through. I'm going to put in the zucchini. So you find a little flat surface here so you can sear the zucchini. So home cooking is a little bit different from restaurant cooking. So you don't have the high power. of the heat. So you have to do everything in stages here. So you want to sear the ingredients because you want to get that Wok Hei, which is a carbon steel flavor. So this is a carbon steel wok. So you can get a good amount of carbon steel flavor, the Wok Hei, the Wok Hei. So just before you're ready to serve, I'm going to put the red peppers in last. So that's just to give the zucchini and the chicken a little color here. So now I'm just going to put in the soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce, low sodium. So you just put the soy sauce around the edges. That way you get a sear on the soy sauce as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of my favorite oyster flavor sauce, Chinese oyster sauce. So if you want to put it on the edge too, you like, I'll put about 1 or 2 tablespoons. I set up the alarm because I preheat the wok for about 15 minutes and then crank it up on high. So once in a while I do set off the alarm. So when you're cooking, keep that in mind. Ooh, look at that, look at that. I'm going to have myself a good lunch. So just before you finish, put a dash of salt. I got the pink Himalayan salt. So just put a little dash in there just to sharpen up the flavor. Give it a final shake. Oh, look at that, look at that. Hey, I'm going to be having a good lunch, like I already said. So there you have it. A quick stir fry with chicken and zucchini with red peppers. Enjoy. So look at the results here. So nice sear marks on the zucchini, nicely coated with the sauce. So I didn't pre-boil the zucchini, so it should be nice and crispy. So lots of flavor of the sauces infused inside the zucchini. The nice big pieces of chicken, lots of flavor from the marinade when I put it in the fridge the night before. So it's well coated with the sauces. And the chicken is really tender. Lots of flavor. When you cook at high heat, you get the Wok Hei, the carbon sear flavor, but you can cook at a lower heat. Some people don't really need the Wok Hei, that sear flavor. I like it. Sometimes I'm willing to put up with the smoke alarm going off. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.